hope you're well. Today I'd love to play a game with you. Do you want to play? Good job. Okay, so you'll need your mummies and daddies to help you with this one, so make sure they're around to help. Have you got them? So I'm going to say a sound, and I would like you to go and find something that begins with that sound. Do you think you can do that? Good job. Now, mummies and daddies, please can you pause this video when they go and find something so we don't miss the next sound. Are you ready? The first sound is S. S. Can you find something that begins with S? 3, 2, 1, go! Are you back? Good job. I got a sock. A sock. S for sock. Are you ready for the next one? Ah. The next sound is ah. Can you find something that begins with ah? 3, 2, 1, go! Are you back? What did you find? I got an apple. A for apple. Good job. Are you ready for the next one? The next sound is T. T. Can you find something that starts with T? 3, 2, 1, go! Are you back? I got a toothbrush. Toothbrush. T for toothbrush. Are you ready for the next sound? Our next sound is P. P. Can you find something that begins with P? 3, 2, 1, go! Are you back? I got a pen. P for pen. P for pen. Are you ready for the next one? The next sound is I. I. Can you find something that starts with I? 3, 2, 1, go! Are you back? I got an iPad. iPad. Well done. Are you ready for the last one? The last sound is N. Can you find something that begins with N? N. 3, 2, 1, go! Are you back? Good job. I got a necklace. Necklace. N for necklace. I hope you enjoyed that little game and you got lots of treasures to collect. Thank you, mummies and daddies, for helping out. Hope to see you very soon. Bye.